Hello kids, welcome to our channel Doodles for Kids. Today we are going to draw some cute ice creams. First we draw a shape of ice cream, then layers. Then we draw some hearts and then second ice cream. Now we learn some colors name. This is red color. Which color kids? Red color. R-E-D, red. This is orange color. Which color kids? Orange color. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Now we color the yellow color in ice cream face. This is yellow color. Which color kids? Yellow color. Y-E-L-L-O-W. This is parrot green color. Which color kids? Parrot green color. This is blue color. Which color kids? Blue color. B-L-U-E, blue. Now we color the brown color in ice cream sticks. This is brown color. Which color kids? Brown color. B-R-O-W-N. Color the ice cream flavor in orange. This is green color. Which color kids? Green color. G-R-E-E-N, green. Now we draw the sprinkles of some shapes like circle and straight. Some colors like orange, blue, red, pink. Hey kids, hope you like our video.